Hello students, let's continue chapter 18th of science of class 7th, that is wastewater story. Today we will study about sanitation and disease. Sanitation is very important for community health. Sanitation involves mainly the disposal of the solid and liquid waste. Most diseases are caused by pollutants and disease causing microorganisms in water. Water gets polluted due to its mixing with domestic sewage, excretion of infected person or animals, industrial waste, pesticide and insecticides. Students, a vast number of our people are still without sewerage facilities. A very large fraction of our people defecates in the open, on dry riverbeds, on railway tracks, near fields, and many a time directly in water. Untreated human excreta is a health hazard. It may cause water pollution and soil pollution. Both the surface water and groundwater get polluted. Groundwater is a source of water for wells, wells, springs, and many rivers, as you learnt in chapter 16. Thus, it becomes the most common route for waterborne diseases. They include cholera, typhoid, polio, meningitis, hepatitis, and dysentery. स्टूडेंट्स वाटर बॉर्न डिसीजेज वो डिसीज होती हैं जो पोल्यूटेड वाटर यूज करने से होती हैं. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस नेक्स्ट टॉपिक डेट इज अल्टरनेटिव अरेंजमेंट फॉर सीवेज डिस्पोजल. टू इम्प्रूव sanitation, low cost on site sewage disposal system are being encouraged. Example are septic tanks, chemical toilets, compositing pits. Septic tanks are suitable for places where there is no sewerage system, for hospital, isolated buildings, or a cluster of 4 to 5 houses. Students, some organizations offer hygienic on-site human waste disposal technology. These toilets do not require scavenging excreta from the toilet seats, flow through covered drains into a biogas plant. The biogas produced is used as a source of energy. Our next topic is sanitation at public places. In our country, fairs are organized periodically. A large number of people participate in them. In the same way, railway station, bus depot, airports, hospitals are very busy places. Thousands of people visit them daily. Large amount of waste is generated here. It must be disposed of properly, otherwise epidemics could break out. The government has laid down certain standards of sanitation, but unfortunately they are not strictly enforced. However, all of us can contribute in maintaining sanitation at public places. We should not scatter litter anywhere. If there is no dustbin in sight, we should carry the litter home and throw it in the dustbin. Students, Bujo wants to know how sewage is disposed of in an aeroplane. So answer of this question is all the sewage is collected in tank and disposed when the plane lands. Wastewater created in flight is stored in a holding tank on the aircraft until the plane sets down. When it's on the ground, a service truck rolls up and pumps the content of the plane's holding tank aboard. So students, we conclude that we all have a role to play in keeping our environment clean and healthy. You must realize your responsibility in maintaining the water sources in a healthy state. Adopting good sanitation practices should be our way of life. As an agent of change, your individual initiative will make a great difference. Influence others with your energy, ideas, and optimism. A lot can be done if people work together. There is great power in collective action. So, students, we as active citizens can help in maintaining sanitation at public places. We should not spit or urinate at any public place. Students, we should not throw plastic packing materials or shopping bags on the road. Educate your family, neighbors, and friends about the need of sanitation at public places. Students, in the year 2016, the Government of India has initiated a new mission known as Swachh Bharat, under which a lot of drives such as proper sewage disposal and providing toilets for everyone have been started. So students, तुमने भी सुना होगा स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के बारे में. Next, vermi processing toilet. A design of a toilet in which human excreta is treated by earthworm has been tested in India. It has been found to be a novel, low water use toilet for safe processing of human waste. The operation of the toilet is very simple and hygienic. The human excreta is completely converted to vermi cakes, a resource much needed for soil. स्टूडेंट्स, राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी जी ने भी कहा है कि किसी को भी ह्यूमन एंड इनलाइटेंड कोर्स करने के लिए किसी दूसरे का वेट करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द एंड ऑफ टुडे सेशन. चैप्टर 18 of science has completed, that is wastewater story. Students, this was the last chapter of science. Thank you.